How to connect a CCTV camera to your mobile phone. In today's world, remote access to security footage is essential. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to connect your CCTV camera system to your mobile phone, allowing you to monitor your property from anywhere. Why connect CCTV to your mobile? Connecting your CCTV system to your mobile phone gives you the convenience of remote monitoring, live view, and instant alerts. It also makes playback and management easier, ensuring you are always aware of what's happening around your home or business. Step 1. Prerequisites and setup. Before you begin, make sure your CCTV system is ready. You'll need a DVR or NVR connected to cameras, a working internet connection through your router, power supply for all devices, and a smartphone with internet access. Once these are set up, you are ready to move to the next step. Step 2. Identify and install the mobile app. Next, identify the official mobile app for your CCTV brand. For example, Hikvision uses HeConnect, the Hua uses GDMSS or IDMSS, and other brands may use XMI or similar. Download the app from the Play Store or App Store, then create your free user account. Step 3. Configure the DVR/NVR for network access. Now, access your DVR or NVR using a connected monitor and mouse. Open the network settings and enable the P2P or cloud option. This generates a unique QR code and device ID. P2P is the simplest way to connect your system remotely without advanced network setup. Step 4. Link the device to the app. Open your mobile app and tap Add Device. Select the P2P or cloud option, then scan the QR code displayed on your DVR or NVR. Enter your device name, username, usually admin, and the password you set earlier. Once saved, your live camera feeds will appear instantly. Wi-Fi camera setup. If you are using a single Wi-Fi camera instead of a DVR or NVR system, setup is even easier. Plug in the camera, download the brand's specific app like Ring or Wise, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Tips and troubleshooting. For the best experience, make sure your internet connection is stable. Keep your firmware updated, use strong passwords for security, and enable notifications to receive instant alerts when motion or events are detected. Quick recap. Let's recap. First, prepare your system, install the official app, enable P2P on your DVR or NVR, and add the device to your app. Once done, you can access your live CCTV feed anytime, anywhere. You have successfully connected your CCTV camera to your mobile phone.